And again I have noticed on mobile as well, like it is again loading and loading. In this video we are going to have a look a new
emotional, damn it,
social media platform which is just launched by Meta, and it is called Threads. Yeah, the name is really cool and fancy. And if we go to, now let's check how powerful it is. If I go to its web version, by the way it's not a web version, you cannot use it on web. You can use currently it on your mobile, iOS and Android, both available on. And yeah, if we now just check the profile URL on browser, here you can see the response, like it is just loading and loading and loading. It's been like 10 to 15 minutes, it's not loading. And yeah, it is really a killer of Twitter, I think. I don't know if it's killing itself. So okay, this profile was not loading, by the way. There's another profile which was loading properly. So if you see here on Threads, it is just working fine. But again, this section of replies, it was not loading so quickly. If you see here, it's been taking around 5 seconds. Yeah, around 5 seconds.
you tripping, bro, you tripping.
Yep. If we check the its like UI side, it's really cool. Like if you see its logo, and I will show you on mobile, it's more cool on mobile. It is the thread and it is just attaching the replies to it. So it is really cool. This icon is really cool. And yeah, this is so simple. I like its like simplicity, and it is feature rich as well. Here you can see like, comment, share, and retweet, not retweet but rethread here.
I don't know.
And the best thing is like it is, you don't have to struggle to create an account. It is just linked with the Instagram, and it is Instagram, straightforward saying. And it is also mentioned here in the article which is launched by Meta. So they are saying it is just a Instagram, but it is more like of text. At Instagram you share most of the pictures but short text, but here you can also post photos and videos. You can post videos of 5 minutes, and 500 characters of text you can post. So it is more of text and less of photos, and like replica of Twitter, you can say. So that's why it is being called as killer competitor of Twitter, but I don't think so now. So of course they will improve it. And if you have to create the account, you just have to scan this QR code here. And behind me, which is just behind me, if I just put me a little head, here you can see, here is the QR code which you have to scan on iOS or Android, and you can simply create the account. So let me show you quickly how you can create the account. It is so simple. And let's have a tour of UI, user experience and user interface at mobile application. Okay, let's have a look. So here we have mobile version here. So we will compare it side by side with the web, though it's not a web version, but at least you can show your profile on web. And I think it will probably look like this, how it is on web in coming days when they will launch the web version. Actually you cannot post anything currently on web, so that's why it's not a web version. So let's have a look how it's been looking on mobile. So here we have, and first of all you just have to scan the QR code and you will have the Threads app. And then let's proceed ahead. Just click on the login with Instagram, and here you go. You can import your Instagram username and password here, and simply you can just log in, and that is it. So here you can see you have your bio and your username. By the way, you don't need to mention your bio and anything. You can just import, just click the import here and you go. and you will have your profile and bio and everything you need. So just click next now, and you can choose public or private profile. So we'll prefer public, and here you can see like it is same experience as of Instagram, same experience. So it is like ditto Instagram, it is just Instagram. You will feel you are just using Instagram, but you will not see any picture there, because people will be mostly using it for text. So let's follow someone and go ahead and join threads now, and let's see how it. No, we don't want notifications. So here we go. Here you have pictures, but you will see more of text, and it will be really sad if people will be using it as like Instagram again. Like people are posting too much pictures, and again I have noticed on mobile as well, like it is again loading and loading. Like it's too slow, I think due to the flood of users, that's why. But they should pay attention, of course, otherwise it will be not killing of Twitter but killing itself. The one thing I mentioned, the animation is really cool of its logo. So here you can see it's really awesome, and the overall user interface is simple and cool, and which is amazing. Here you can say your profile, and then you can go to search and likes, you can see activity. Here you can post something, so we will post something here. Okay, let's post, and let's see hello to all, and that is it, we have posted. And here we go with our post, and here you can see like, comment, share and retweet icons here as well. So that is it from threads on mobile version, and you can enjoy threads on your mobile. And just comment down which features you most liked, and just post the video if you can post or not. I didn't post it any video, so just post the video and photo as well, and just comment down how you feel being on threads, and is it really a Twitter killer. So just comment your opinion, and see you in the next. Bye bye.